Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of your SquareUp account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go to squareup.com. If you're logged into your SquareUp account and if you'd like to log out of it, then the first thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on your business name or your company name at the top right hand corner from the dashboard. Once you open up this expanded menu, click on sign out at the bottom, and soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your SquareUp account. Remember that to sign in again to your account, you will need to enter your email address and then your correct password associated with your SquareUp account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.